Good morning, Junior 6. How are you today? Let's start to solve weekend sheet number 9, which is about the carbon dioxide gas. Number 1, carbon dioxide gas is collected by what? The way that used to collect the carbon dioxide gas after preparations. This way is called what? Is called the upward displacement of air. So the carbon dioxide gas collected by upward displacement of air, upward displacement of air. Displacement of air because it's heavier than air. Number 2, increasing the carbon dioxide gas in air causes what and what? If the percentage of the carbon dioxide gas increased in the air, so it will causes suffocation of all living organisms. So it will cause suffocation of living organisms and global warming. So if the percentage of the carbon dioxide gas increased in the air, so it will cause suffocation of all living organisms and global warming, which is called the increasing in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. Number 3, carbon dioxide gas is changed by what and what to liquid. We have to pressure the carbon dioxide by pressure. Pressure the carbon dioxide and pressure and cooling. Pressure and cooling to convert it into liquid. Then the pressure is revealed composing dry ice. Then after pressure, complete the pressure, so it will change it into dry ice that used in or which is used in the refrigerator. Number 4, what gas is used in making soft drinks? The gas that is used to make soft drinks is carbon dioxide. Number 5, what gas is used in refrigeration? The gas that is used to make the dry ice, this gas is called carbon dioxide also. Carbon dioxide. While what gas is used in welding metals? In welding metals, we use the oxygen gas to react with the acetylene to produce oxyacetylene flame. That this flame is used to weld the metals. So the oxygen gas used in welding metals. Give reason number 1, decreasing the green areas harm the environment. Why? If we decrease the green areas or remove forests, why this is harm the environment? Why? Because it will increase the percentage of the carbon dioxide gas, because it increases the percentage of carbon dioxide gas. Number 2, carbon dioxide is used in extinguishing some fire. Why the carbon dioxide used in extinguish fire? This is very easy, because it doesn't burn and doesn't help in burning. Because it doesn't burn and doesn't help in burning. Doesn't burn and doesn't help in burning. Number 3, yeast is added to dough on making bread. Why the yeast is added to dough in making bread? To produce the carbon dioxide gas. We must add yeast to dough in making bread or making bubbled bread to produce carbon dioxide gas during the fermentation process, so that make the bread pores and tasty. So here, to produce carbon dioxide gas, to produce carbon dioxide gas during fermentation process, that makes the bread pores and tasty. Pores and tasty. Mention 3 uses of the carbon dioxide gas. It's very easy. The 3 uses of the carbon dioxide gas, like soft drinks, like dry ice, like photosynthesis process, or extinguishing fire, or bubbled bread. So I can write soft drinks, making soft drinks, making dry ice, and also making or used in extinguishing fire. Mention 3 properties of the carbon dioxide gas. Here, jr6, 3 uses, but here 3 properties. 3 properties about the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air, easily dissolve in water, easily dissolves in water, doesn't burn and doesn't help in burning. Doesn't burn and doesn't help in burning. So it's used in extinguishing fire. Help in burning, doesn't help and doesn't help in burning. The last questions. What is the importance of carbon dioxide gas? Here again, what is the uses of the carbon dioxide gas? Carbon dioxide gas used in extinguishing fire, dry ice, soft drinks, bubbled bread, photosynthesis process. Okay. Number 2, the lime water. What is the function of the lime water? The function of the lime water, it's used to detect or test the presence of the carbon dioxide gas. Used to detect the presence of carbon dioxide gas. Dry ice, what is the function of the dry ice? Used in refrigerator or refrigerating. Refrigerating. Used in the refrigerating or refrigerators. Okay, turn paper junior 6 to solve weekend sheet number 10, which is about the nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas, it's very, very easy. Nitrogen molecule consists of how many nitrogen atoms? The nitrogen molecule consists of two nitrogen atoms, and its symbol is N2. So the symbol of the nitrogen is N2. Nitrogen forms what percentage of the volume of the atmospheric air? Nitrogen represents 78% of the volume of the atmosphere. Number 3, the legumes form protein substance. With the help of the certain type of what? The help of the certain type of bacteria, which is called the nodular bacteria. Bacteria that live in their roots. Number 4, nitrogen gas is called azote because what? The nitrogen gas is called azote because it doesn't help in turning. Give reasons for number 1. The nitrogen is very important for legumes. Why the nitrogen is very important for the legumes? Because the legumes need the nitrogen gas to form protein by the help of the nodular bacteria. Because they need nitrogen gas to form protein by the help of the nodular bacteria. By the help of the nodular bacteria. By the help of the nodular bacteria that live in their roots. Last questions. Mention 3 properties of the nitrogen gas. It's very, very easy. The 3 properties: nitrogen gas is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. Colorless and also tasteless and odorless. Nitrogen gas is scarcely dissolved in water. firstly dissolves in water, and nitrogen gas doesn't help in burning. Doesn't help in burning. The last questions for today. Thank you, Junior 6. Goodbye.